Today I'm just going to do the draw for this simple little homemade tension tool I made out of a brass garden tap with a key in the end of it. This is for a Mortice lever lock with a curtain. And yeah, pretty simple little tool. So we ain't going to mess about today, we're just going to get straight on with the draw. I've got the Wheel of Names app on my phone, so I'm going to paste everybody in. I've already obviously copied it. That's everybody who's entered. So what we'll do is we'll just shuffle the names up, get rid of that, and let's start it. Good luck, everyone. And the winner is Gav. Congratulations, Gav. If you send me an email with your address on, I'll get that posted out ASAP. Thanks to everybody who entered, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.